Hello there, it's Nikki. Today's video, since today is my rest day, kaya tara samahan niyo ako sa lakad na to. It's already 12 midnight and I was craving for something, kaya naghanap ako ng makakainan. At this time, naghanap ako ng open na makakainan aside sa fast food. Napaisip ako na pupunta ako sa Acharyan Sizzling and Bar at doon ako kakain. By the way, Acharyan Sizzling and Bar is located at Banilan Highway, Dumaguete City. They open at 10 AM to 1 AM. Along the highway lang din pala to. After minutes, nandito na ako. As you can see, sinalubong kaagad ako ng waitress. Nagpili na ako kung ano yung kakainin ko. I was really amazed talaga kasi very affordable ang mga pagkain nila at saka unlimited rice and unlimited gravy pa. They also serve beers and hard drinks. Masasabi ko talaga na worth it yung price nila. Ito pala ang pinili ko, pork steak. Kaya tara, kain tayo. Rice pala ako dito kasi today is my cheat day since ito pa yung first meal ko for today, kaya di halatang gutom. Sa in-order ko pala na pork steak, I'm gonna rate this 10/10 kasi ang sarap ng gravy nila, kaya napasarap yung kain ko. Kaya ayun lang, salamat sa panonood!